Hey Stampers, Kim from stampingandperfection.com. I'm excited to share with you this little Totally Tiffany Companion Cart that I got. I am loving this. I've been using it for about a month now, and I've tried out a few different things. And this particular cart I'm using to store my journaling supplies and my stamp and die storage materials. So this is organizing stuff that really took up like half of my craft table. And I'm super excited about it. You can see the meter stick there. It's only 25 inches tall. And what I love about it is this fits beautifully under my craft table. And it also has these 3 pull-out trays. These are like shelf trays. I think they make perfect project trays. It it came with 3 of these trays, and it came with those 2 organizers on the top there that I'll show you in a minute. Look how much that is holding. In the bottom drawer, I have 2 of these Totally Tiffany Punch Store and Go. I'll have another video on this, but this is all my stamp and die storage so that when I get new things, I can organize them immediately. That stuff is all ready to go, and I can, it's perfectly organized. I know exactly where it is. I'm using some more of the um, punch storage pieces here. I love these. These are heavy plastic, and they've got this tray, and look how beautifully they hold my mini ink pads. Those are my Catherine Pooley mini ink pads. That's the small punch one. This is the medium one, and I've got all of my journaling pens and colored pencils, the different kinds of colored pencils. I've got a little, like desk organizer there with my clear block. So this is one of the organizing pieces that came with this cart. So it had the 3 trays, this organizing piece. This is a tool organizer. Look how much fits in there. I have room to put more stuff. I've got all my colorful markers, that's colored pencils, scissors, you name it. A journaling tool from Creative Memories from long ago. Now, if I need to if I want to put this under my craft table, I have to take those 3 things out because those don't fit under my craft table. But otherwise, it's just, it really fits beautifully under my craft table. It comes with this stadium organizer, and you can see all my washi tapes, my adhesives, my Xyron, sticker maker are all in there. Like I have always thrown my washi tapes into a bin, and I rarely use them because I can't find them. Now I can see them. It's the first time I've had my washi tapes organized. Now I decided to see how much I could fit in one of these trays because a while ago I purchased a bigger cart and it doesn't have a good home in my craft room, so I'm constantly moving it around. And I bought it to hold all my embossing powders, my glitters, my mousses, my ink sprays, my re-inkers, all of that stuff. So I took the stuff from one of the trays of the larger cart, and it fit perfectly in this cart. So this holds just as much as the larger one, but this one fits beautifully under my craft table. So it has a home and I'm not constantly moving it. Plus my stuff is right where I work. So I'm not getting up and searching for it. And I love having things just right at my fingertips because I use them more often if I see them and if they are where I'm working. So I really love this little cart. It is on wheels. It turns 360 degrees beautifully. It turns on carpet really easily. So the wheels, it has really nice wheels. It's super sturdy. Like I was very impressed with how sturdy this is. The one difference between this cart and my tall cart is that there's more space between the shelves of the larger cart, so you could store much taller things on the larger cart, but again, it doesn't fit anywhere, so I don't really store tall things on there. I just store a lot of stuff on it, and I love that it fits under my craft table. That's my favorite thing about it. It's small size. It's only 25 inches tall. It's about 17 and a half inches wide, and it's about 10 and a half inches deep, or 10 and a quarter inches deep. You can get an optional craft wrap apron that goes around it that has a lot of pocket storage for extra things, and you can get a gift wrap apron and turn this into a gift wrap station. So many potential possibilities for this. It's unbelievable. I just love this little cart. I'll put the links below to Totally Tiffany and to this companion cart. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a like and share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.